So, very good evening to all respected members who have gathered here for the today's workshop on how to write a research article using AI tools. So, in this workshop, we are going to discuss about some of the practical guidelines or steps required to follow how to write a research article for a journal publication using AI tools and its various significant features. During the time of presentation, I will be listing down the different AI platforms that are currently used by several researchers right now in the recent past. Why AI tools much more supported for the research writing process recently nowadays? The first and foremost thing, the use of AI tools saves the time, energy, and space for writing a research article within a short span of time, particularly for literature review, analysis, visual data presentation, drafting the abstract of the research article, citation management, reference management. For all such hardcore problems, AI is one of the easiest solution for research support. So the number of lead time taken for doing such type of work with the help of the AI assisted platform, it nearly compresses the time from several weeks to as minimum hours as possible. Whereas in the conventional olden practice of research article writing, entirely we used to do manually by using our human skills and expertise for literature drafting, editing, and so on. So, in order to consume our time and productivity, AI will give you the better predicted literature review, research gap, future challenges, etc. So that using that AI generated information, we can draft our own sentence according to our language intellectual ability. One thing I would like to say in this forum, so we should not take it in a wrong sense that AI generated the article paper cannot be taken as a final result for journal publishing. So most of the journal will not accept the AI generated text. From the AI generated text, we need to apply our idea and sense to articulate certain things on our own creativity. It is just a random key structure to be adapted for a research article writing. For that, AI provides a solution how to navigate the path, how to direct our literature research survey analysis. For that purpose, AI search engines are used. So we should not self-rely upon fully on AI platforms. Next one, the researchers globally report that millions of hours are being saved each year by integrating the AI tools into the writing process and enhanced accuracy in language ability, structuring, and referencing. Whatever the task we do, that must be done with ethical integrity at last in order to support our originality and quality of work. So, how to carry out a brainstorming and ideation phase using AI tools for a research article? Here are some of the free AI tools as mentioned here. Claude AI or ChatGPT So using these free platforms, we can generate so many research questions in order to explore the unexpected answers from the questions or prompt, whatever we are feeding into it. So these platforms try to suggest the research gaps in the existing literature, these AI platforms, and also the future challenges and assumptions. How literature review can be made more easy and flexible using AI-powered tools. Here are certain name of the AI platforms that are given here. Consensus, Semantic Scholar, and ResearchFall. Here in the first one, this type of AI platforms try to utilize millions of the paper using natural language queries and it get AI summarized findings instantly. Semantic Scholar is mainly for citation reference management of a research article. The ResearchFall generates so many literature reviews with authentic citations in a few seconds with various key themes and research evidence. So using these tools, we can able to conduct our literature review in a very easy and flexible manner within a short span of time. How to structure, outline the research paper. Here are certain logical framework that has to be followed as given here. AI virtual assistant will create a clear outline or a clear objective for each section headings. So we need to ensure the argument flows in such a coherent manner, starting from the introduction of the paper till conclusion. So another AI tools also listed out here as an example, Gamma AI. So using this, we can organize the text or sentence, even ideas into a well-structured, readable format, publishing format for the journal. So how to draft the paper with AI assistance? So tools like Paperpal and Skyspace. So with the help of these tools, we can able to perform autocomplete a sentence. We can suggest more high accurate, precise academic phrasing in context. By doing so, that will improve the clarity and the language tone by maintaining a high consistent scholarly article. Paperpal AI writing tool transform the rough writing notes into a submission ready-made drafts for the paper to get published in a leading reputed journals. So how to perform editing, paraphrasing and plagiarism checks using AI platform. So AI editing tools like Paperpal and Skyspace offer various advanced Grammarly checks that is highly customized for academic writing and built-in paraphrases which will try to refine the vocabulary and the language tone. At the same time, the plagiarism checkers ensure whether your work meets as per the originality standards before submitting to any leading journals. So this is regarding citation and reference management. So using ResearchPal and PaperPal, using these two AI platforms, we can able to integrate different things in a high seamless way, in a continuous manner with a better accurate tracking of different information through literature study analysis. So AI is mainly used to support your thinking. It is not a copy and replacement of the entire work. It discloses the transparent information related to the research, search, and your policy. And we should not fabricate any data citation from the AI platform. Attend a number of workshops, follow various guidelines from time to time, and stay up to the standards in order to develop an high quality paper in a more acceptable manner. So all these things we have to follow from the ethical purpose and a very good academic integrity. So at the outset, we should not spoil the academic integrity by using the technology in a wronger path. So on ethical ground lines, we have to maintain standards and originality in drafting the paper. So here is what the AI-powered research journey starts in a sequential way. First, we need to ideate which type of AI tools used for the research literature studies, conduct the review, then draft and re-edit, and finally go for publishing after plagiarism check and so on. So combining the human intelligence with the AI efficiency, it is easy for us to produce a more faster, more impactful research paper in the year 2026 where we are right now and also in future beyond the line. So with the above information, I conclude that do not use AI to generate the conclusion of a research paper entirely. We need to think on our own from the existing information and generate the conclusion according to the field specific domain knowledge. Don't copy and paste all the things from the AI search engine. And find out a plagiarism checker. Always check the final text or information with the help of the plagiarism checker in order to confirm the originality of the language and quality. So with this information, I thank all the members who are attending the online session today. We will meet in the day two presentation, how to draft the project proposal for funding. So once again, I thank all the participants. We will meet in the next day two workshop.